Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tomorrow. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll be exploring the different types of AI, narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. So buckle up and let's get started. What is AI? AI, in its simplest form, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. But not all AI is created equal. There are different types, each with its own capabilities and uses. It's like having different breeds of dogs, each with its own unique traits. If you haven't already, check out our previous video, Demystifying AI, Exploring the Wonders of Artificial Intelligence, for a comprehensive overview of AI. First up, we have narrow AI. This is the type of AI that we interact with on a daily basis. It's designed to perform a specific task, like recommending songs on Spotify or answering questions on Siri. While it's incredibly good at the tasks it's designed for, it can't do much beyond that. It's like a dog trained to fetch a ball. It's really good at fetching, but you can't expect it to cook dinner. Some of the top companies today that use narrow AI include Google with its AlphaGo program, IBM with its chess-playing supercomputer Deep Blue, and Apple with its Face ID unlock. Next, we have general AI. This type of AI can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. It's like having a human brain in a machine. However, despite decades of research, general AI remains largely in the realm of science fiction. It's like a dog that can fetch, cook dinner, and do your taxes. Amazing, but we're not quite there yet. Some of the top companies today that are leading the revolution in general AI include Anthropic, Darktrace, and DeepMind. Finally, we have superintelligent AI. This is AI that surpasses human intelligence in virtually all economically valuable work. It's the stuff of sci-fi movies and futurist predictions. While it's an exciting concept, we're still a long way from making it a reality. It's like a dog that can fetch, cook dinner, do your taxes, and solve complex mathematical problems. It's an incredible idea, but we're not quite there yet. Currently, OpenAI is one of the few organizations that is actively working towards developing superintelligent AI. Before we wrap up, let's highlight 3 key takeaways from our exploration of AI. One, AI is not one size fits all. There are different types of AI, each with its own capabilities and uses. From the narrow AI in our phones to the superintelligent AI of the future, it's a diverse and exciting field. It's important to understand these differences as we interact with and shape the future of AI. 2, understanding AI is crucial. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, understanding the different types of AI and how they work is crucial. It helps us make informed decisions, navigate the digital world, and understand the potential and limitations of the technology we interact with every day. 3, the future of AI is exciting. With advancements in technology and computing power, the potential of AI is enormous. The future of AI is exciting and holds immense possibilities. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what the future holds? Remember these points as you navigate the world of AI. Understanding AI and its impact is crucial in today's digital age. So that's a deep dive into the different types of AI. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tomorrow for more tech content. See you in the next video.